What you eating, Sophia? Look at you.
Telling
Bread and cranberry sauce.
No, no. Whoa,
No.
Okay, Eric,
You can
please.
tell Ken that I have a company coming in and work with the
I don't want to
city. See what
film.
we
Eric,
can
please.
do. It's called Renegade Water. And these
There you
guys
go.
work for my forklift, so, you know, the city lines and stuff.
What do you got there? Oh, it's
Well,
the.
hopefully, I,
Oh, that's
he was
cool.
here 3 weeks ago and I haven't heard from him, so I'm calling him tomorrow to see what's going on.
Yeah.
How'd you like staying at Nana's house? Lots of fun?
There you go.
Really? I think you had fun.
Yes, she's. We'll just put some.
Well, you could make juice.
Do you want to have this?
Boy, look at all the leftovers.
Wow, look at all that.
That was 10 pounds of
Why
potatoes.
don't you
5
send
pounds
some
of
home?
potatoes.
Lots of potatoes.
But she's a fan.
Mom, how'd you like Christina staying here? You guys have
Oh,
fun?
we had so much fun. We made a bracelet.
Did you?
She
slept
helped me.
in?
Oh my gosh.
She slept in. She does like sleeping in.
in.
How late did you sleep in till?
I woke up.
7?
I woke up when I heard him.
Hey Sally, I closed this, but because
Yeah, it was still hot.
I almost